how to sturdy boy attach to the car. And there's only one place it really can tie into because we're not drilling any holes. So you got to take off a bunch of stuff. Mainly you got to get all the way down to the big plastic shroud that originally goes on either side here, and under the radiator. That guy's got to come off because you have to reuse its forwardmost fastener location right here. That's where that kind of inboard facing tab goes. It's got a hole. You reuse the existing OEM fastener there. Up here we have a big sheet metal piece that ties the fender into the rest of the chassis. It'll have 2 bolt locations here. Pull those guys out, slip this guy under, and use the 2 provided longer bolts to go back through those holes. This guy is not going to want to align as well. You've shimmed it. You can see mine's kind of come off a little bit. But if you leave all the bolts loose and tighten them up afterwards, it will fit up. Unfortunately, that didn't really work on my chassis, so I had to slot some holes. Not the end of the world. Left side wasn't quite symmetrical. To get to this point, I did have to pull the bumper off. I don't know if that's necessary, but it made access a whole lot easier, and then also pulled the lights off temporarily to make some room. Again, you might not have to do that. Like I said earlier, this guy, the blue piece, kind of slots down onto the tongues back here, and this is the bolt that holds on that last fastener. So to get this guy on and off, all you do is undo this fastener.